The vehicles, we're calling them ENVI, for Electric Network Vehicle. The very first prototype that we unveiled a couple of years ago was called PUMA. I don't know if any of you were familiar with that, but that stood for Personal Urban Mobility and Accessibility, and that was a prototype. But subsequently we renamed it ENVI, but I just wanted to avoid any confusion. It's basically the same program. And again, electric network vehicle is what this vehicle is all about. It really is three ideas coming together. It's the idea of an electric vehicle to address energy and environmental issues. It's the idea of a networked vehicle to address safety and congestion issues. And it's a vehicle that's really designed for urban use in terms of its footprint and its maneuverability. And we feel that because it's optimized for urban use, as opposed to today's cars, which are like Swiss Army knives that can do everything pretty much, that this vehicle could be very affordable and really preserve personal mobility even in the most challenging circumstances, which are some of the dense cities that are being formed in around the world, where car ownership is likely to explode. So I think the next step is to go out and witness a demonstration of these technology features, and then for you to have a chance to ride in the vehicle. So now it's going into balance mode, you can see. And then it will slowly accelerate.
And you can also see the system status here on this cell phone. Speed and the location.
6 kilometers an hour. Yeah. Automated parking like this is something that could occur step by step. I mean, you can imagine where you would find the parking space yourself and get out, and the vehicle would park right next to you. That would be the first step, and then you can imagine maybe dropping it off at the front of a parking structure, and then the vehicle goes to park itself. What we're going to be actually demonstrating is both vehicles driving autonomously, but we have people in the vehicle just in case. So both vehicles are in the landed position, as you can see, and then they will both go into balance mode and drive off as a system with two vehicles. So Mike and Cree are inside the vehicle, but their hands are off the wheel, so to speak. We've demonstrated previously, video conferencing between the two vehicles in this mode. That clicking noise that you might be able to hear is the ultrasonic sensors. So again, this is an approach to autonomous driving that doesn't require heavy infrastructure investment. It doesn't require putting magnets or sensors in the ground. It just requires wireless communications antenna and GPS antenna between the two vehicles.
Alright, I think we're still powered up. There's a button here to do the balancing, go into the balance mode. So we're sliding back and tilting. So now we're up over the two wheels only. You see, I turned the entire screen to do the steering, and these two hand grips are tied together mechanically. So if one moves, they both move. We tilt it forward to accelerate, and we pull back to slow down. If you pull back and hold, it will come to a stop. If nobody's too close behind me, I can show that.